Hello sir, what's your name po?
Hi, my name is Mark Joseph Manalo.
I'm under the Leon po. Ayun. Pwede po ba itang i-interview?
Yes.
Okay. So, ito lang po yung mga katanungan namin. Una po yung can you tell me about your experience working in event setup and breakdown?
Well, when it comes to event setup, do you mean any event that I?
Yes, any event.
Yeah, most likely I do party events like debut, um, baby shower, gender reveal, weddings, and sometimes company occasion. When it comes to experiences regarding it's wonderful. You can see smiling faces of people. Also, you are imparting the joy to everyone who attended that particular event.
Okay. Uh, have you ever encountered a difficult or demanding attendee at an event? How did you handle the situation?
Yeah, I do. Actually, I attended a demanding party way back when I was in college. I was just starting to be a host during those days. Um, they have a lot of demands during the program. There was changes to be made, but I handled it professionally. Just following instruction that has been given to me during those days.
Okay. Can you describe when you had to adapt quickly to unexpected changes or challenges during an event?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat the question, please?
Can you describe when you had to adapt quickly to wait nga lang. Can you describe when you had to adapt quickly to unexpected changes or challenging during an event?
Yeah, actually, being host or coordinator, you have to be flexible most of the times because there are changes needs to be made. There are surprises that has been hidden to you by the main organizer or the celebratory during those events. For example, last event that I have attended or hosted, there was minor changes needs to be made at the last minute or the last part of the event, wherein the male or the husband of um, the girl proposed to marry him during those times.
Okay. For the fourth question naman, how do you ensure that event spaces are kept clean, safe, and presentable throughout an event?
Okay, can you repeat the question?
How do you ensure that event spaces are kept clean, safe, and presentable throughout an event?
Actually, those are. I think that is the job of the maintenance, and um, in the event, I mostly do part of a host or
Ah, yes. Yes.
yeah. I'm not responsible for that kind of thing, but perhaps it will be better to ask those specialize those particular.
Okay. Can you provide an example of time when you collaborated effectively with other team members to achieve a common goal?
Actually, I do encounter most of the times with that. I collaborate with the sound system guys most of the time
Mhm.
because they need to have a little cue whenever I said something so that they play the right music during those times.
Ah. For the sixth question, how do you stay calm and focused under pressure during busy or high stress events?
Actually, I do count 1 to 10 whenever I feel pressure. Um,
Mhm.
like my thing, and then uh, yeah,
I'm sorry.
I just stay silent, and one
Mhm.
of the corner of the room, think of the program that during the event.
Mm. Why are you interested in working in the event industry, and what do you hope to contribute to our events team?
Eh, I'm sorry. Your question is why?
Why are you interested to working in the event industry, and what do you hope to contribute to?
Actually, I'm not really into it, but
Mm.
way back when I was in college, there was a subject that I have taken. Uh,
Mm.
it's Event 101. It's part of our course. I took up Bachelor of Science in Tourism, and that uh, during those times, my professor advises me that I should do hosting in the event because I do have potential in doing so. So I got into my first event. It was my best friend's debut party. So it was her 18th birthday, and then she told me that she wanted me to host the party. That's when it started.
So parang parte mo na talaga na parang mag-host ganun.
Yeah, a
Oo.
little.
So anong masasabi mo sa mga magte-take ng mga events ng mag-handle ng mga events? Kagaya mo rin.
My advice
Mm.
to those who aspire to be an events coordinator, you have to work with uh, food, catering, uh, background, music. You have to have a lot.
Okay. Okay, thank you po, sir. No? So, ang natutunan ko sa pag-interview kay Sir Mark Manalo bilang interviewer, napansin kong malaki ang naitulong ng karanasan sa pag-host sa pagiging confident at mahusay na magsalita ng isang aplikante. Madali silang makipag-ugnayan at may presence na papakipakinabang sa mga client o facing all leadership roles. Gayunpaman, mahalagang lumalim ang mga tanong upang malaman kung may substansyang sagot at hindi lang puro galing sa pagsasalita. Nakita ko rin na transferable ang kanilang soft skills tulad ng adaptability, organization, at pressure management. Mahalaga ring suriin ang ugali at reaction nila sa tunay na sitwasyon sa trabaho, hindi lang kung paano sila sa entablado. So, yun lang.